Good afternoon to all of you. Now I am going to teach you simple Java Bean or Java Bean. Now today we discuss Java Bean. What is Java Bean? All these things are discussed in the earlier class. Now today we are going to find out how to create a Java Bean. How to create a Java Bean? First step, how to create a Java Bean. First we have to create a Java Bean. For that we need to create a source file. First we have to create a source file. Create, okay, समस्त जिनस ठीक से देखो. Create the Java source file. Create the Java source file. Okay. What happened in Java source file? First we have to import the packages. Okay, first we have to import the packages. Import the packages. And which packages you have to import? You have to import okay, import java.awt.star. okay, awt.star. Then next packages is your import, okay, import java.io.serializable. java.io.serializable. okay, serializable. All these packages you have to import in when you create a simple bean. Okay, you have to create a simple bean. Next you have to give public class. You have to create a class for that simple bean. Okay, you have to take a public class. Okay, simple bean extends okay, canvas implement. Please write the program. Okay, how to create a Java source file. Implement serializable. Okay, from the class we have to create a block, or you have to starting from curly braces. Okay, next you have to write public simple bean. Okay, public simple bean, public simple bean. For that everything you have to access in the public. Okay, next write down all these things. Next you have to set the size. Next you have to set the size. You have taken 25. Okay, you have to set the size. Then set the background. Set background. Your background color is suppose black. Okay, all these things you have to keep inside this class. Okay, or simple bean. Okay, so this simple bean, this is your public. Okay, public means anyone can access. Anyone can access. Next you have to end with curly braces. Here we have started a curly braces, and for that we need to terminate a curly braces. Okay, so what is the step 2? What is the step 2? Step 2 of how to create a simple bean. Step 2. Okay, in step 2 what happened? You have to compile the file. You have to compile the file. In step 2 you have to compile the file. Which file? The previous step 1 file. you have to save in computer java. Okay, the shared file name is java c simplebin dot java. Okay, simplebin dot java. Dot java is the extension. Okay, or you have to give java c simplebin dot java. This is the step number 2 and step number 3. Next we go for step number 3. Create a manifest file. Create. In step 3 what happened? Create a manifest file. A manifest file. Okay, create a manifest file. In what happened? First आम देखा manifest file कहले कौन? Manifest file कहले कौन? It is an XML document. This is an XML document. What is the meaning of XML? Extensive markup language. Okay, this is just like HTML. What is HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language, and what is XML? XML is extensive markup language. First, what is a manifest file? It is an XML document. Okay, यार काम कर, it stores or it package or contents of Windows software application. Okay, it describes the content of software application. बुझेला? बर्तन देखो से आमर 3 नंबर स्टेप कौन थिला? क्रिएट ए मैनिफेस्ट फाइल. मैनिफेस्ट फाइल एक्चुअली कौन? दिस इज एन एक्सएमएल डॉक्यूमेंट. हला एक्सएमएल मीन्स एक्सटेंसिव मार्कअप लैंग्वेज. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ एक्सएमएल डॉक्यूमेंट? इट describes or it takes the packages or contents of an software application. Okay, it describes the content of software application. Okay, so next another uses is there, and it is used for web technology for configuring and deploying the software. Next is configuring and deploying the software. Okay, what will happen in the manifest file, and all these things we have to discuss, and what is XML document, and what is the function of XML document, and what are the function inside the application. Okay, so next step 4. Now let us see step 4. What is happening in step 4? Create a jar file. First we have to create a jar file. Create a jar file. Okay, and next we have to start the bin development kill. After the creation of jar file, in step 5 what you will do? It will start the bin development kit. Okay, which is known as BDK, bin development kit. Okay, what is BDK? Bin development kit. What is the need of BDK? After creating the jar file, it will start the BDK. BDK means bin development kit. Okay, so next create a jar file. You have to create like that. C, suppose C is your drive. Okay, you have to say, or forward slash is there. Okay, sorry, backward slash is there, and next is the jar cf simple bin. Okay, jar cf simple bin. Okay, these are the step 4 and step 5. Next is your step 6. What is happening in step 6? In step 6, it tests the program. After the start in bin development kit, then after it start the or test the program. Start to test the program, test the